everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know today what we are making? Oh my god, it sounds little weird but it's going to be very delicious. And we are going to make cupcakes, that too veggie cupcakes. Yes, it's so delicious, you have to try this out. Then you decide it's good or a bad. Okay, without trying you should not decide by name title. Okay, without making any delay, let's dive in. For the base we are taking here almonds. This is a roasted almonds, so don't go with exact measurement, just add how much you feel like. Okay, and I have taken here pumpkin. I have peeled the skin also because we are using here pumpkin raw one, not cooked one. So I am taken here dates, soft dates and ginger and cinnamon powder. So this is for base. For this second layer I have taken here cashews. It's a soaked one. Okay, and this is a beetroot. It's a raw one, not cooked one. And vanilla essence, I have taken here vanilla itself. Like we go for original one, I have taken pure vanilla puree paste. So instead of this, if you don't have, you can use even elaichi powder also, cardamom powder, or even cinnamon powder also you can use. Anything is fine. Okay, and this is the second layer. And third layer is more, means that is a topping, I can say that. For that what we require is, okay, what is this? It's a beetroot juice, beetroot juice. And this is sabza seeds. Sabza seeds is different from chia seed, but if you don't have, you can use chia seed also, that is totally fine. And jaggery powder, even you can use jaggery syrup also. And here again we can use the vanilla essence or a paste or a puree, anything, powder or anything. So for flavoring only I am using this. So these are the ingredients we require. So this is the topping we are going to add, right? So what I am doing is I am adding this sabza seed to this. Okay, now jaggery powder and little bit vanilla and mix this. So we will keep this in a side. So now we will take one mixer jar, add almonds. Now we will grind this first, then we will add other ingredients. We have just grinded this almond, and now we will add remaining ingredients to this. Sweetness, how much you want. Now we will add ginger and cinnamon powder and this pumpkin. So now you can see it became paste, right? This much is enough. If you, actually my pumpkin is more, it shouldn't be that much, it should be little dry. Okay, now it's totally fine. I'm using like this only, and it shouldn't be so fine paste, it should be like this only, coarse grind. Okay, and the now one base is ready. So another base we will grind that on also. Now we will make the second layer, filling. Now add beetroot, cashews together, and for this again vanilla. So in this we have not added any sweetener for this. Now we are going to add this jaggery, or else you can add even dates, even jaggery syrup also. So we will grind this into smooth paste. This is the first base, middle base, filling and topping. We have 3 ready, and if you have mold like this, you can use reusable molds. Now you take this some amount like a ball and just place it and press it. So actually mine is little wet, but I have added little more pumpkin, so you can just reduce the quantity. So we have to keep this in a fridge so that it will become little hard. Then we can add this also. Let's keep this one in a freezer. It should become hard. So it is wet, mine is wet, that's why I am keeping it this one for freezer, so that it will become hard, so that we can remove this. So now we can't remove this because it is so thin, right? Now you can see I have kept this in a freezer, so I can now remove this outer thing. See, right? We will remove this and then we will do the filling. now we have removed the thing cup one, and now we will do the filling. So just you can do the filling with spoon also, or if you have this kind of a thing, you can do with this. Just fill it. See how beautiful it is, right? And it's like raw and it's not cooked one also. So we have soaked it, right? The topping, the last topping, we will add that slowly on this. When you are going to serve, that time you can add this. Wow, so beautiful, right? So wow, isn't it beautiful? See? Wow, amazing. If you give this, kids will also love this. So now we have for tasting again Rashi Tiwari, Dr. Rashi Tiwari. She will try this and let you all know how it is like taste wise. Look wise is very good, I can say that. But the taste wise, it is raw vegetables, right? Let's see what she will say. Yeah.
Okay, I'm really excited and curious to try because I have never tasted a raw cupcake.
Okay.
And yeah, let me see. Texture is very good, creamy.
Mm.
Mmm,
Did you like it?
unbelievable. Yeah, I can never make out that this is made with a raw pumpkin.
Is it?
Mmm,
Oh my God, that's
it's
great.
so amazing. And it has that freshness of, fresh vegetable because it's raw. So it's quite hydrating.
Mm-hmm.
And the flavor of cinnamon, it is awesome. And ginger, I can't even feel that there is ginger. So it's
Okay.
like very, very nice. And yeah, I would recommend you to please try this. It's
Wow.
awesome. Very nice.
Yes, so tested is done, and you can also try this out, and you can give it to your kids how they will react. You can just don't tell them there is a vegetable inside, just give them. And it's a new recipe, you can just tell them and just give it to them and see the reaction, how they will say. I don't know, even Rashi Tiwari, she liked it, and even you will like that, but you had to try with your kids also, like how they will like it or not. And let me know in the comment also. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you, Rashi, for
Thank
coming
you.
and tasting this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Namaste.